Alright, so we are currently hiking through these beautiful woods and we came across this brook. So let's go down and check it out and see what we can find down there, because we know where there's water, there's going to be some sort of wildlife. We're down in western Massachusetts right now, and I saw this little brook running down and I decided to come down and give it a look, and I found two little northern two-line salamanders. Now these guys, they really prefer these clean moving bodies of water. So these little guys are prone to a lot of pollution. That's why they prefer the clean streams where there's not even any like garbage. And these guys, like most amphibians, breathe through their skin. And these are a lungless salamander, I'm pretty sure. So that means whatever I have on my hands will go into their skin. And that's why I washed my hand in the brook, just to clean up any pollutants. And these guys, you can usually find them under any rocks along the stream or river bank. Alright, so another thing I thought I should mention is these guys are insectivorous, and that just means they're going to be feeding on a lot of the little insects that inhabit this creek. So it's basically a little predator under the rocks at least. Now, what would eat these guys goes from a common garter snake to a bullfrog. So these guys gotta watch out, and that's why they're extremely fast. So that's probably why there's so many too, because this is a perfect ecosystem for predators to find them and for them to live. And they also get the name from the two stripes that run down their body. So I'll get footage of that and I'll release this guy. I flipped over a rock and I got this guy. Now this, I'm pretty sure, is the northern leopard frog. Actually, this is the pickerel frog, because what we can tell is on the back it has these little spots that go down the back. And it's usually, if it's a leopard frog, the spots would be all over the place. And these guys, the spots go down in two lines, and they're more of a rectangular shape. So I'm pretty sure this guy is a pickerel frog. And if you look, it actually has yellow legs. These guys, if you put them with other frogs, it can actually kill the other frogs, because this species actually is poisonous. So if you were to catch like this frog, wood frogs, and like bullfrogs, it could actually kill the other ones. So that's why if you catch a pickerel frog, you shouldn't keep it with any other amphibian. Now these guys, I'm pretty sure, also prefer the clean streams. I haven't seen them where I lived because our waterways are very polluted. So what these guys prefer to eat ranges from the small insects to earthworms, and it's usually just insects. These frogs, like all frogs, are great jumpers. When they jump, they actually can display their warning colors so that whenever a predator sees them, it would know to avoid this species. That's pretty cool. I'm actually really psyched we got a pickerel frog, and I'm hoping to get a video with a pickerel frog versus a leopard frog to show you the differences. Just remember, if I can find something like this pickerel frog, imagine what you can find near you.